Hyundai's notable subcompact hybrid has recently been updated for the 2022 model year. That is the reason we are almost certain that the 2023 Hyundai Kona will come without additional significant updates. Essentially, the new upgrade has brought a great deal of oddities, so the new model feels improved in each angle. It is assembled better and offers a superior driving encounter. Moreover, there are some new powertrain choices, which make the new Kona a greatly improved item contrasted with the past age. Obviously, minor updates are conceivable all the time. We could see specific curiosities in regards to the norm and accessible hardware, or perhaps new variety choices. In any case, the general format will continue as before. The 2023 Hyundai Kona will keep on conveying a pleasant blend of excellent inside, fit motor choices and an extensive rundown of standard gear. Then again, a little freight region will stay probably the greatest downside. As we are discussing the second creation year, it's basically something specific that no greater changes are going to come. The new upgrade has brought a ton of extraordinary things, enhancements in different perspectives. Obviously, there is the new styling, which makes this hybrid look sportier and more forceful. In any case, we accept that the greater improvement came concerning ride quality. The new age feels undeniably really captivating and it's certainly more enjoyable to drive. Simultaneously, the ride isn't all that firm, as some would likely anticipate. The new Lodge looks new and present day. All the more significantly, it looks more developed contrasted with the past age. The dashboard looks shockingly rich, while new tech highlights cause the Lodge to seem more appealing. Obviously, there are a few hard plastics to a great extent, yet the general form quality and materials are at an undeniable level. Taking into account this, we assume that the 2023 Hyundai Kona inside won't include greater changes. This viewpoint certainly won't bring any change. The base 2023 Hyundai Kona will go on with a natural 2.0-liter inline-4, which puts out around 147 strength and comes combined with a CVT. Obviously, it's not the sportiest decision, however this adaptation could be a very decent everyday suburbanite, particularly assuming we consider the typical efficiency of 30 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the interstate. 2023 Hyundai Kona release date and price. Since no greater changes are going to come, we assume that the 2023 Hyundai Kona will hit the market at some point late in the year, with a beginning cost of around $22. Models like Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-30 and Subaru Crosstrek are a portion of the key contenders.